What's up, everybody? And in today's video, we are in this mode. It's broke AF. I'm gonna go into adventure and go back into it because I won't have 100, which you're supposed to start with. Okay, so we're gonna be trying to get to 10,000 nuts in this video, starting with only 100. And I can use anything from the tech tree that I own, only if I can afford it. So let's buy this. Oh, I forgot. I can buy a stick. Now let's go mining. I'm actually gonna buy 2 sticks, just so I'll have an extra stick for when this one breaks. That scared the crap out of me. Also, I'm plugged in right now playing, so I might have to stop for a little bit to plug in my VR. But oh, it already broke. No, I can't lose this. I cannot lose this. Okay. I have 1 piece of gold. Let's go down here and collect the gold that fell. This one right there. There was a little one. I'm pretty sure I saw it. But I don't think we need the little one. But there is no silver. Oh, there it is. I cannot get in a fight with that guy. No. That hurts so bad, and I don't have an MRE. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it's because of like the coin thing when it does like the effect. I do not want to go in there, but I might have to. It's a lot of gold. Okay, there's still. Oh, well, it broke. Well, let's go up and sell the stuff. I think I'm 1 shot for him. And here's the thing, I only have 3 lives. God, I can't say that right. Wait, who's Joey? Hey, I can't play right now. I'm recording a video. See ya. Okay, I do not know who that was, but she was my friend. No! Ah! Wait, he didn't even hit me. What the heck? Why did it do like the damage thing when I took the damage? Either I re-healed or that was just a glitch. Come on, just take me up. Take me up. Thank you. We might hit a haunted house run because that's probably gonna be like the easiest way to earn money. That's probably but I'm probably gonna have to I'm probably gonna need a grappler to do that. But I just have to, I want to get a right now I'm focusing on getting a crowbar and a big backpack. Again, that scared the crap out of me. Okay, let's go sell this gold. There's not much, but I think we'll get us enough so that we can get something at least. I am lagging so bad right now. Okay, let's see what we get. Ooh, that's not bad. I think I have enough. First, let's buy the crowbar just in case we don't have enough. Oh, you're so close. Okay, well, let's go. Let's go back to the mines. But now we have a weapon. A crowbar. So that's our first weapon unlocked. Scared the crap out of me again. For the third time now. And I hate the nun. He's probably like one of the most annoying monsters for me because it just can't die. Oh. I gotta get that. What? Help me! No! Don't kill me, please. Oh my gosh, phew. Finally, yes! I almost died there. I almost died! I mean, I didn't almost die, but it was pretty darn close because those two could have two-shotted me. Oh crap, I forgot to turn off up here offline so any of my friends don't join me. So somebody might join, I'm not sure. Let's go. Getting tons of gold. Okay, let's go. No, wait. Okay, my thing unplugged. No, please. Stay plugged in. Thank you. I'm gonna break this, the rest of this, and then I will. No! Why am I hanging on to thin air? No! It was so close! Wait. Come on. Oh. And then I could also mine one of those teleport thingies so I can get back home instantly. Oh, all small pieces? That was kind of goofy, but whoa. I thought I was full for a second. My backpack's almost done with lunch. Oh, I didn't even notice these. Well, I think that's enough. I think we should head back now. Okay, let's just mine this. No. Yes. Oh, okay. Let's go. I'm pretty heavy, so let's just jump right from here. Oh, through those. Oh, let's go. Perfect. Okay. Oh yeah, that's really good. Okay. Get ready to switch out my bag. Oh, let's go! 2,000! We just need 8,000 more. And I could also buy a grappler and hit a haunted mansion run. But right now, I'm just gonna upgrade my stuff. I got a better backpack, a better flashlight, and I also been into golden pickaxe. Let's go! And then I think, okay, I just need to get a little more than I can afford the grappler. But I'm not gonna go to Haunted Mansion yet without a grappler because it's just too, like, I don't want to deal with the anglerfish and all that stuff. But Haunted Mansion, oh my gosh, that always gets me. That's the one thing that you gotta be ready for when you're going into the mines. Like the nun just waiting for you. Ugh. Oh, more gold, more gold. No gold left behind. Okay, let's go. Let's jump down. Woo! Okay, let's get these little pieces. Whoa, those are insane parkour there. Parkour. Oh, cool. Giant piece. It's gonna sell for a lot. Oh yeah, that's the one that I didn't mine with my stick. Hey, remember what I said, right? No gold. Wait, speaking of no gold left behind, some dropped. No! No! Why? Why does this game hate me? No! This game doesn't hate me. This game. What is this? I'm gonna keep it though, cause it's a shield. I do not know what this is. Beat you! I'm beating you! Wait. Oh my gosh. Yeah! That was great. What was that? What were those loud, obnoxious sounds? Oh, there's more gold back there. Let's go. No gold left behind. I will get those 2 little pieces of gold. I swear. Wait, is that just a big chunk of gold just lying there? That's crazy. Okay, I might want to drop the shield. No gold left behind. Okay, that was easy. Oh, let's go. Bam. Did we get anything? Nope. Okay, that was about it. Oh, let's go. that might be enough. Because I don't want to get harassed by Spider again. So I'm going to sell the stuff. And also because I'm really heavy and I think it's dangerous. And it's pretty hostile down there, so. Just drop these two. Actually, let's just keep this one on my thing because I don't not want it to fly away. Okay, please give me... What? I gained! Why do I keep gaining? Oh, yeah! I keep gaining because I break those things and they give me nuts. Not to be weird. We're at 3,000. Okay, this is probably gonna put us pretty down, but it's worth it. It's worth it. Okay, let's go to Haunted Mansion now. Let's go. Wrong way. Oh, I don't like it when it's dark. It's dark. Now it's scary. Bam. Okay. Here. Oh, crap. Why is my light on? What am I thinking? Oh, and guys, yeah, I learned this today. Well, if you have your light on, that actually attracts the nun. So next time you go to Haunted Mansion, you can know that that it attracts the nun, so you don't get yourself killed. I need to go back because I do not want to get myself killed. Bro, the key's in there. Don't die. Okay, I'm not dead. Where's the key? Okay, it's in here. Okay, let's go. There's 2 keys. What the heck? Oh, let's go. Successful. Okay. I'm just gonna try to get all the ore I can get, just so I can get a little more money. But first, I'm gonna get all the blue ore because it sells for the most. No! Grab these. But why do I fall immediately? That's just dumb, bro. Animal Company, you hate me so much. Why does my health go down so much? I mean, maybe because I got hit like tons of times. But Animal Company, why? Okay, Animal Company, you gotta explain something to me. So, when I shoot an arrow, right, it can go in the metal. But when I use a grappler, it can't go in the metal? Like, Animal Company, what? You need to... Math ain't math in there. Ow. Ow. Bam. No. I can't die. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I'm good now. Let's go. Okay, now I can't. No. I was in a lobby like this once, and I got like so damaged, like to the point where if I even touched the lava once, I would like die. And guess what happens? I touched the lava once, just starting. Like I tried to jump, I was too heavy, and I just died. Like, bro, and it was probably like worth $4,000. Okay, let's hope this gives us a good amount and actually gets us back our 2,000 that we lost. Oh, it doubled it. Okay, wait, that's actually OP. Now I just need let me do math here. $3,466. We just need 3,466 more nuts, not to be weird, to finish our challenge. Let's go. Okay, so I'm just gonna let's just do like a quick mining trip, because I think that's probably. I'm gonna close my eyes so that none of them jump scare. Okay, too late, bro. Too late. And it's super dark for some reason, even though I have my light on. Why does my light not work? Bruh. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to go back and buy a new light. Okay, here we go. I'm closing my eyes. Okay, so guys, yeah, she didn't jump scare me, so. This light is broken! This one isn't though, so. I was thinking of the video going to like, instead of 10,000, 5,000, but no, actually like I decided that we would do 10,000. So yeah, 5,000 was just too low, because I can gain money pretty easily. Or bolts. I'm instead of calling them nuts, I'm calling them bolts. Okay, let's go on our mining spree. No gold left behind. Oh, big chunky piece. No gold left behind. No gold left behind. Oh, come on. Come here. Get it. Okay. Oh, nothing here. And mining is so easy with the grappler. No gold left behind. No gold left behind. No gold left behind. No. Give me that. No, I cannot break that. Bam. No. Oh, yeah. crap! Touch the spider web! Ah! Oh, why is your feet touching me? Stop! Oh my. That's a lot of gold. So if I lose my grappler, it's all over for me. I have to buy a new one, which will make this video 2 times longer. You stupid! You just dropped my health so low. I'm killing you now. That's what you get. Oh, a cluster. Look at that. Okay, that's another one of them? I don't even want it. What was that sound? Wait, Animal Company, so you're saying that I can go into iron, silver, right? Silver, gold, whatever that is. But I can't go into metal. Like, brother, what? That literally makes no sense. Why is there just a giant... That's the second time I've spotted that. Okay, I think I might head back up. Wait, is my bag full? That was perfect timing. Wait, I said no gold left behind, didn't I? So, what am I gonna do? You may ask. I'm going to grapple the whole way up instead of zip line. No! And if I fail, that's okay. I'll try again, and again, and again. Or I could sacrifice a light. Yeah, I'm sacrificing a light. Sorry, light. You're gonna help me though. I could probably get it back. But how would I use the zip line? I mean, I could get it back, but I really mean this, guys. When I say something, I do it. And I said, no gold left behind, right? So that means there is gonna be no gold left behind. Yeah, but there might be me left behind. Okay. I made it! Yeah! I say something, I mean it. I swear, if this gets me to what I need. Yeah, so rest in peace, Light. Oh, the first button I pressed, and this has to be good. Come on. No, so close. Wait, I have to buy another light now. But I'm not, so I guess I'm just gonna go back to cave when I think all of it's respawned. And so, yeah, we'll just wait for now. Okay, I think now. It's either I'm impatient or I'm a genius. See? I am a genius, so. And again, no gold left behind. Where's that piece of gold? There's one right here, but I don't see the other one. Or it might not have been a small piece of gold. It may have just been that, which it was. No. Well, okay. What? No, why do you come to me? Kill yours. Go kill. I'm going kill mode. Oh! Let's go. One man's trash, another man's treasure, as they all say. That's basically it in Animal Company. One man's trash is another man's treasure. You know why I say that? Because there's mass murderers that take everybody's stuff. If you play Animal Company, I think you know that too. Well, I think that might be worth that much. It's because I like mined gold. I'm gonna get more than what we needed. Oh. No, it's the second button. Oh! And we did it, everybody. Let's go. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so it like dings. Give me that. Well, see you all later. My name is Froggy V2. I think you guys already know that because that's my channel name.